Today, I'm excited to share with you a classic Filipino dish that I absolutely love, chicken adobo. This chicken adobo is savory, tangy, and full of delicious flavors. For this recipe, you'll need onions, 3 cloves of garlic, some potatoes, soy sauce, vinegar, bay leaves, and black pepper to create a flavorful chicken adobo. First of all, let's fry our chicken. Get a pan, add some oil, and heat it up. Once the oil is hot, add your chicken pieces. I've chosen only the breast part, but you can use your favorite cut of chicken. Fry the chicken until it turns a beautiful golden brown on both sides, ensuring it is perfectly cooked. This step will not only give the chicken a nice texture, but also lock in all those delicious juices, making your adobo even more flavorful. While your chicken is frying, let's prepare our onions. Start by taking a couple of medium-sized onions and peel off the outer layers. Once peeled, chop the onion into small pieces, making sure your knife is sharp to get clean cuts and prevent the onions from getting too mushy. Now, as you follow along with me chopping the onions in the video, if you're enjoying this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more delicious dishes and cooking tips. Now, get your garlic, smash them, and cut them into small pieces, just like I'm showing you in the video. Now it's time to check the chicken. Flip the pieces over and let the other side fry until it's golden brown and cooked through. After the chicken is fried, remove the pieces from the pan and place them on a plate. Get the potatoes and cut them into pieces, as you see in the video. Fry them in the same pan without adding any extra oil. This will allow them to absorb the delicious flavors left in the pan from the chicken. After your potatoes are fried, remove them from the pan. In the same pan, add the onions we chopped earlier without adding any extra oil. Let them cook for about 2 minutes, then add the garlic and fry it all together. When the garlic and onions are nicely fried, just as you see in the video, it's time to bring the fried chicken and potatoes back into the pan. Carefully place them in, ensuring they mingle well with the garlic and onions. Let everything cook together for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and infuse into the chicken and potatoes. This step is crucial to make sure all ingredients come together harmoniously, enhancing the overall taste of our dish. After that, it's time to add the black pepper. Make sure to mix it well with the other ingredients, ensuring that the pepper is evenly distributed and coats everything nicely. I add 3 tablespoons of vinegar and a bit of soy sauce, as you can see in the video. If you prefer a saltier taste, feel free to add more soy sauce to suit your preference. Mix everything well, then add some water to the pan to prevent the adobo from becoming too dry. The amount of water depends on your preference, more water if you like a soupy consistency, or less if you prefer it thicker. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame so that all the flavors meld together perfectly. After that, it's time to add your bay leaves. I also add 1 green chili for extra flavor. This is optional, so you can skip it if you prefer. If you like a touch of sweetness in your adobo, adding some sugar can make it taste really good. I add 1 teaspoon of sugar and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes.